Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the J22 and your source. This is why power and connections matter for stable audio. First, charge the unit for at least 30 minutes to ensure full pairing range. Then connect the J22 to your speaker or stereo using 3.5 or RCA cable and make sure the receiver input matches. Press and hold the power button until the blue LED flashes. Once done, the J22 is in pairing mode and ready to accept a Bluetooth device. Once the J22 is flashing, enable Bluetooth on your phone, tablet, or laptop. You need to scan for devices because Discovery triggers the handshake. Select the device name J22 from the list and accept any pairing prompts. If a PIN is requested, enter 0000 or 1234 depending on the prompt. After pairing, set your source's audio output to J22 and increase volume slowly. Make sure both the sending device and the J22 volume are balanced to avoid clipping or low-level signal. To finish, optimize sound quality and confirm stable playback. If you hear latency, change the audio codec or close background apps that use Bluetooth. Make sure the J22 sits within 10 meters line of sight. Obstructions and interference degrade performance. If pairing fails, unpair and toggle Bluetooth, or reset the J22 by holding the power for 8 seconds, then repeat pairing. One key troubleshooting tip: move both devices away from Wi-Fi routers, microwaves, or crowded 2.4 GHz environments to reduce interference and restore a clean connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.